Did you know that some of the most popular foods in your child's lunchbox could be quietly sabotaging their health? While they might look harmless or even healthy, certain everyday snacks are loaded with hidden dangers. Today, we're peeling back the packaging and exposing the top 10 most unhealthy foods for kids. Get ready to discover the shocking truth about what's really inside these family favorites and how you can protect your child's well-being. Let's start our countdown with number 10. Boxed breakfast cereals. They promise energy and fun, but many are packed with sugar, artificial coloring, and preservatives. A single bowl can contain more sugar than a donut, spiking blood sugar and leading to energy crashes before lunch. Behind the cartoon mascots and vibrant colors lies a lack of real nutrition, setting your child up for a day of highs and lows. Number 9 is fruit-flavored yogurt. It sounds healthy, but don't be fooled. Most flavored yogurts are swimming in added sugars and artificial flavors. Instead of nurturing your child's gut with probiotics, these sugary treats can disrupt healthy digestion and contribute to tooth decay. The solution? Choose plain yogurt and add real fruit for natural sweetness. If you're enjoying this video and finding these tips helpful, do me a quick favor. Smash that like button and hit subscribe if you haven't already. It not only helps the channel grow, but also keeps you updated with more powerful videos to make you stronger, leaner, and unstoppable. Let's keep the energy high and dive into the next one. At number 8, we have processed deli meats like ham, bologna, and salami. These lunchbox staples are packed with sodium and nitrates, preservatives linked to increased risk of certain cancers. Just a few slices can deliver more salt than an adult should eat in a whole meal. Swap them for grilled chicken or turkey breast to give your child protein without the additives. Next, number 7. Packaged snack cakes and pastries. With their soft texture and sweet taste, they're irresistible to kids. But they're also loaded with trans fats, refined flour, and high fructose corn syrup. Eating these treats regularly can contribute to weight gain, fatty liver, and long-term heart problems. Try homemade muffins with whole grains and natural sweeteners as a smarter choice. Number 6 is a lunchbox classic, potato chips. They're crunchy and fun, but behind every handful are high levels of unhealthy fats, excessive salt, and sometimes even acrylamides, a chemical formed during frying that's been linked to cancer. Instead, offer air-popped popcorn or veggie sticks for a satisfying crunch. Rolling in at number 5, we find instant noodles. They're quick and easy, but instant noodles are high in sodium, saturated fats, and MSG, a flavor enhancer that can trigger headaches and impact brain health in sensitive kids. The noodles themselves are often made from refined flour, offering little real nutrition. Whole wheat pasta with homemade sauce is a far healthier alternative. Number 4 goes to flavored drinks and juice boxes. They seem like a convenient way to hydrate, but many contain more sugar than soda, and almost none of the vitamins and fiber found in real fruit. Regular consumption can lead to obesity, diabetes, and dental problems. Water, infused with fresh fruit if needed, is the best way to keep kids refreshed. At number 3, we find frozen chicken nuggets and fish sticks. Don't let the chicken or fish label fool you. These are often processed with fillers, preservatives, and unhealthy fats. The breading absorbs oil during frying, adding empty calories and boosting the risk for heart issues. Baking homemade versions with real meat or fish gives you control over the ingredients. Number 2, candy bars and gummy sweets. Colorful and tempting, these treats are pure sugar bombs, spiking blood sugar and fueling hyperactivity, cravings, and even mood swings. The artificial dyes and flavors have been linked to behavioral issues in sensitive children. Instead, satisfy that sweet tooth with dried fruits or small pieces of dark chocolate. And finally, at number 1, the top offender, sugary sodas. Just one can contains more sugar than a child should have in an entire day, plus phosphoric acid that can erode tooth enamel and weaken bones. The caffeine content can also disrupt sleep and concentration. Swapping soda with sparkling water and a splash of juice can make all the difference. By steering clear of these top 10 unhealthy foods, you can set your child on a path to lifelong health and happiness. Remember, small changes in the lunchbox add up to big benefits. Your child's radiant health starts with what's on their plate. So let's make every bite count.